So, hello guys. So, ang tuturo ko naman ngayon sa inyo is kung paano mag-solve ng isang simple equation. So, here we have 2x minus 1 is equals to 3. So, paano ba natin siya isi-solve? So, first step, i-segregate natin siya. Variable to variable, then constant to constant. So, variable sa left side, constant numbers naman sa right side. So, lipat natin siya. So, magiging separation nila yung equal. Kapag once na tumawid siya sa equal, tumalon siya sa equal, magbabago yung sign niya. Either negative or positive. So, dito, bring down lang natin 2x since nasa left side na siya. So, itong negative 1, nilipat siya sa kabila, magiging positive 1 na siya. So, 3 plus, ito na yung positive 1. 1. So, 2x is equals to 3 plus 1. So, we have 2x is equals to 4. Okay, so para makuha itong value ng x, since ito is multiplication, 2 times x or 2x, gagawin natin siyang division para matanggal yung 2. So, kung ano yung gagawin natin sa left side, ganun din sa right side para maging balance yung equation. So, here we have x is equals to, since this one is cancel, x na lang ito, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, x is equals to 2. So, para makita kung tama ba yung sagot natin na value, kailangan magiging equal sila. So, checking ang gagawin natin. So, substitute lang natin itong 2 dito sa given natin para makita kung tama yung sagot. So, magiging 2 times 2 minus 1 is equals to 3. So, 2 times 2 minus 1, that is 4. Minus 1 is equals to 3. So, tama naman, equal, no? 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. And then, yung nasa right side is 3 din. So, this is true. So, nakita natin na tama yung sagot natin na x is equals to 2. Okay, so another example. We have 3x minus 2 is equals to 2x minus 1. So, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, ang first step is segregate natin sila. So, variable to variable and then constant to constant. So, we have 2x tsaka 3x. So, lipat natin itong kabila itong 2x. Since this one is 3x, remain the same yung sign. Tapos ito naman, since tatawid siya dito sa negative sa equal, magiging negative na siya. So, yung positive 2x magiging negative 2x is equals to, lipat naman natin itong kabila, itong negative 2. Ang kasama niya naman is negative 1 kasi pareha silang constant. So, negative 1 plus 2. Or simply, 2 minus 1. No? Kapag binaliktad natin siya. So, dito, we have 3x minus 2x. We have x. 1x na lang, no? Ang 1x is same as x. So, we have negative 1 plus 2. Or simply, parehas lang siya nito, no? Parehas lang siya niyan. So, 2 minus 1. Kapag inuna natin yung 2. So, 2 minus 1, that is 1, positive 1. So, check natin kung tama yung sagot natin. Substitute natin sa given. So, ito. So, we have 3 times 1 minus 2 is equals to 2. Substitute lang natin ulit. And 1. Tapos dito, 3 times 1, that is 3. Minus 2, that is 1. And then 2 times 1, that is 2. Minus 1, that is 1. So, the equation is equal. So, ang ating sagot na x is equals to 2, x is equals to 1 is correct answer.